Hello! In this video tutorial you will learn how to copy sections from an existing course into a new course in WebAssign. This is especially useful when you are teaching the same course you taught in a previous term. To copy a course in WebAssign, first choose the section of the course you want to use as a model, then copy to your new course. If needed, you can create a multi-section course by copying your new course schedule to multiple new sections of the scheduling page. You can also copy a section into an existing course. You can copy a course starting on your My Classes or Class View page. Click Copy Course for the section you want to copy. You can see information for the section you are copying from at the top of the page. Under Advanced Options, you have the option to choose to copy settings from the source section. If you are setting any assignment restrictions like password protection or conditional release, those are copied when the assignments are copied to the new course. Also, by default, any additional instructors or TAs who have access to the original section will also have access to the new section. The gradebook settings from the original section are copied to the new section. You can turn either off by clearing the checkbox. By default, the original assignments are scheduled to the new course. But if you want to make edits to these assignments in the new course, you might want to create a new copy for each assignment for use during the new semester. By default, Copy To is set to New Course. We can also copy into a course that has already been created. Because sometimes you use the same course name for multiple terms, the term is listed beside each course name. Notice that when we did that, some of the options became disabled. We don't need to change the course name, rostering information, term, or dates because we already set those. In this example, we will choose New Course. Since you are creating a new course, you need to specify the course name, the instructor for the new section, and how students are enrolled. By default, these are set to use the information from the course we are copying. We will change the section number for the new course, but leave the rest the same. Because we are copying a course we'll be teaching next spring, let's change the term. And set the new start date and end dates. Notice that the end date updates automatically when you change the start date. If your new term is shorter than your old term, assignments that would be scheduled after the end of the new term are scheduled for the last day of the term. In this case, the new term ends a little later. Set the time and days when the class meets. You cannot change the textbook for the new course, but you do need to certify that you are using the textbook again. And if you want, you can select additional free discipline-specific questions or personal study plans to use in your course by clicking Additional Resources. Click Copy Section to Course. The schedule page opens with the new course and section. Review the scheduled assignments and make any changes you need. For example, we might need to move some assignments for spring break. Let's say we are happy with this section schedule. If this is a single section course, you are finished. For a multi-section course, you can add sections that are copies of this section by copying the schedule to new sections. For more information or to view other video tutorials, click Help in the top right of the WebAssign application.